On the next slide, we're going to be learning when to use the Spanish verb ser in Spanish language. This is a very versatile verb, and today we're going to be learning the main five uses of this verb in the Spanish language, but also my biggest tip when you use this verb, and also for Spanish language beginners, is that you use this verb to talk about the essence and personality of people, things, and animals. And what do I mean by that? For example, in English, we say people are good. People are good by nature. So that's the essence of people. Or lions are dangerous. Or dogs are faithful. So that's when we are talking about the essence and the personality of people, things, and animals. So in Spanish, you will be using the verb ser for that. So the first use of the Spanish verb ser will be for descriptions. And when we say descriptions, we are talking about physical and non-physical descriptions. For example, yo soy alta y rubia y mi hermana es baja y morena. I am tall and blonde, and my sister is short and dark-haired. I am talking about physical descriptions. Let's have a look at the next one. Pedro es inteligente y amable, y su mujer es generosa. Peter is intelligent and kind, and his wife is generous. In here, I'm talking about non-physical descriptions. In Spanish, we still use the verb ser for those as well. Next one. La clase de español es interesante y divertida. Los gatos son simpáticos y extrovertidos. Use number 2 of the verb ser is for professions. Tú eres cocinero. Daniel es médico. Nosotros somos estilistas. Mi padre es pintor. Mis amigas son diseñadoras. Vosotras sois periodistas. So number 2 is quite straightforward. We use the verb ser to talk about professions. Number 3, nationalities. Nationalities in Spanish are also adjectives, and therefore they are descriptions. For example, nosotros somos italianos. Vosotras sois griegas. Wolfgang y Linda son alemanes. Number 4, we use the verb ser for identification. For example, este es José y esta es Rosa. This is Joseph and this is Rose. Very useful for when you are introducing people to other people. Ellos son mis hermanos. They are my brothers. ¿Qué es ese edificio? Es un museo. So use number 4 for the verb ser is identification. And the last use of the verb ser is possession. So in Spanish, we do not use the apostrophe es to talk about possession like the English language does. In Spanish, we need to use the verb ser and then the preposition de to talk about possession and who is the owner of things. For example, el bolso negro es de Elena. Las llaves son de Manolo. La cartera es de mi padre. So the black handbag belongs to Helen. The keys belong to Manolo. And the wallet belongs to my dad.